Hi guys, I'm Ananya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share my top 5 favorite lip balms, and all of them are under rupees 200, so that's awesome. Also, there is no worst lip balm in this category. Like, all the 5 are my favorites. I really love them, I really use them, and some of them are literally used, but I've saved little, like, for the sake of the video. And so yeah, like, obviously I have still categorized them from 1 to 5 according to my preference. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Without wasting any more time, I should take you guys to the video. So the first one, which is the cheapest and my favorite, is this Khadi Naturals herbal lip balm. So this is in the wine grapefruit variant, and it has bee wax and honey as well, and it retails for 99 rupees. It comes in a tub packaging, which I really don't mind, but if you have nails, then I don't know about you, but for me, I really don't mind. And it's not tinted, it is transparent and it's quite glossy. Also, it stays on your lips for so long. So I don't remember how many tubs of this have I finished, because this is my favorite, and for the price range you really get a very good quality product, like after Vaseline obviously, and it smells so good, you guys. The next product is the Vaseline Lip Therapy Chapstick. It's in the flavor cherry, and it has 4.5 gram of product, and it retails for 150 rupees. It has a bubblegum kind of smell, but yeah, like, this is also my favorite. It's tinted and it moisturizes your lip, and even I've spoken about this in my skincare under rupees 200. If you haven't seen that video, you can check it out as well. So I have even talked about this in that video, and this is also my second tub. So yeah, I definitely like this one very, very much. And like, if you don't want to go for that original Vaseline, you can definitely try out all the range of that Vaseline Lip Therapy. Like, it has cherry and I guess a pink and a red, I don't remember, but yeah, it has many other flavors as well, like many other color tints as well. You can definitely try out any one if you want to. Like, it stays on for really long. Like, at night I apply it, and even in the morning I have my lips fully moisturized and like really good. It does not go off. So yeah, you can definitely try it out. So there is also another product which I didn't include, like, I totally forgot about it, and just now it occurred to me that even this can be a really good lip balm, but this does not fall in a lip balm category. It's actually a lipstick, and it's the Lotus Color Kick Lip Sugar. It's above rupees 200. It's, I guess, for 209 rupees or anything, but it has a beautiful tint. Like, if you don't want to wear any lipstick, you should definitely go for this one, because it adds a tint and also it moisturizes your lips. It acts as a lip balm as well as a lipstick. So I keep it in my college bag, like, I apply it. So I totally forgot about this one, and just now I wanted to show you guys this, because this is really, really good, and you can definitely try it out as well. So the next product is the Himalaya Strawberry Shine Lip Care, and it has 4.5 gram of product, and it retails for 135 rupees. Also, the smell of it is really, it's like so delicious, but I don't know what was up with this lip balm. Like, सबके लिए ऐसा ही है या सिर्फ मेरा वाला डिफेक्टिव था, I really don't know, but the surface was hard, like it wasn't even, and like it didn't feel gentle to apply it on my lips. But now it's alright, because I now apply it and it has smoothened out a bit, and now it really moisturizes my lip, like really, really moisturizes my lip. And yeah, so that's the thing. It also has a tint, like a slight tint, and it's not very sticky on your lips. It's not very light, like not like the Khadi one. It's not very light like that one, but it's not also very sticky. So it's like medium, and I really like it. Like, it moisturizes and keeps my lip hydrated and soft for quite a long time. Like, if you have extremely dry lips, it will definitely help you. And yeah, you can definitely go for this one. So the next lip balm is the Baby Lips, and this is in the variant Cherry Kiss, and it retails for 175 rupees, and it has 4 gram of products, and it has SPF 20, which is really good. So it will protect your lips from the UV rays, and also it will prevent discoloration. So it also has a tint, like a pinkish red tint. You know, baby lip smells. It smells really good, and also it moisturizes your lips and stays on your lips for at least 4 to 5 hours. I don't feel any drying up of my lips. So I have heard this theory that it dries up, like it's a marketing strategy, I guess so, that it will dry up your lips and then you'll have to reapply it, and the more you reapply, the more it will get over, and the more it will get over, the more you'll purchase. So I don't know whether that's true or not, because I haven't faced any drying up issue. So yeah, that's the thing, and I really love it. So the last lip balm is the Nykaa Serial Kisser lip balm, and it's in the variant peach, like it's in the flavor peach. And personally, I'm not a huge fan of this lip balm, because although it smells really good, but the thing is that it retails for 149 rupees and it has 4.5 gram of products. But I don't like it because it doesn't stay on my lips for a long time. Like it only stays for like 2 hours maybe, and then it fades off. I am not a big fan of this thing compared to my other lip balms. So yeah, this will work for you, but you just have to reapply it for like every 2 hours or maybe every 1 hour. But it does moisturize your lips and everything. So yeah, also it's transparent, like it does not have any color. So if you don't like tinted lip balms, you can definitely go for this one. It does not have any color, and it's really light. It's not very heavy on your lips. Also, it won't make your lips sticky. So that's definitely a pass from my side, because I don't like heavy lip balms or sticky lip balms. So yeah, I don't mind the formula or anything, but just that it does not stay on my lips for a long time. And yeah, so this comes in my last. So this is it for today's video. I really hope that you all enjoyed the lip balm recommendations, my top 5 favorite lip balms. And yeah, if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and stay happy. Bye.